Hello, good afternoon, sir. First of all, thank you for giving me a chance to introduce myself. My name is Manda Pusdekar. I am from Nagpur. I have completed my Bachelor of Degree in Mechanical Engineering from Nagpur University. I have worked in a innovative digital services with my client Brill Means Technology Private Limited. The company basically deals with the hardware and software and design solution. I have around a 1.2-year experience as a desktop support engineer. As a desktop support engineer, I handle and supports all types of general hardware troubleshoot failure, Windows related issues, Outlook related issues, the network related issues, application, DNS server related issues, new configuration, printer configuration, and supports. On daily basis, many issues are occur, which is where it is related to the configuration, troubleshoot, and faulty failure. And if it is related to the OS, it will be like a BSOD error, a Windows error, and if it is related to the Outlook, it will be like PST configuration, incoming, outgoing mails problem, and if it is related to the network, it will be like proxy error, single failure, and if it is related to the hardware, it will be like edge screen and keyboard problems. I and I along with my team handle approximately 275 systems and users. My team consists of two desktop support engineer, one system engineer, one admin, and one manager. On daily basis, I attend and resolve 20 to 25 tickets approximately. My team manager was a Ganesh sir. The antivirus used in my organization is a Symantec Endpoint Protection with version 14. As we use the Windows license, as like a Windows 10 and a Windows Server 16. The organization have own ticketing tool which is based on own cloud-based CRMS. The company have own domain name which is www.brillmeans.com. When I reached the office, first I logging the system and open the Windows Outlook, and first I check the status of the ticketing tool and other incoming information. I'm looking for a job change because my contract with my organization is going to be over. I received rupees 12,400 per month. My salary expectation as per company norms. I see myself as a cloud administrator and security specialist in upcoming 2 to 3 years. My strength is I am self-motivated, punctual, quick learner, and my weakness is a shyness and overthinking. My short-term goal is to get the job in a reputed organization where I gain some knowledge and enhance my skill. And my long-term goal is to see myself in a respectable position and to become a part of the success and growth of your organization. My hobbies are playing cricket, watching movies, reading books. I am suitable the position which is available in your organization because I am a well learner, punctual, and I assure you, if you give me opportunity, I will do best. I will do best with the growth in the growth of organization. I assured you, if you give me opportunity, I will do best in the growth of organization. That's all. Thank you.